Right, so to get to the mirrors, you just need to take this panel off. It's just clipped in, so you should be able to pull it. He says, maybe not one hand. Trim tool. There you go. Give it a pull. There you go. Just held in those two clips there. One at the top and then one at the side. Right, just carefully remove the insulation maybe, and it'll probably fall apart. That's almost safe. Probably give this a bit of a, yeah. Oh. Give that a bit of a clean in a minute. So you've just got two, I think. Let me see what size they are. They are small. Let me check. Right, they're 7mm. There's one at the top, one to the right, and one behind that connector there. So if you want to take the door mirrors off, you obviously need to undo these two connectors. So if you've got powerfold mirrors, there'll be two connectors. If you've got non-powerfold but electric, there'll only be one connector. And obviously if you've got manual, there'll be no connectors. So you just need to undo these two connectors, remove them, undo these three 7mm bolts, and then the mirror will come off. If you're wondering how to disconnect the connectors, just push on that tab there. Right, so I've got the connectors disconnected. Now I just need to undo the bolts. Nice and easy because I've had them off before. Right, just spin that. Remember, before you undo them all, you probably want to open the window so you can hold the mirror. The last thing you want to do is for that to fall on the floor. One. Don't forget the washer. Right, now I'm going to hold the mirror. It's a bit slippery. Okay. Number 3. And don't forget the mount. Now you can see the mirror's loose. So we just tuck the wires through. And off she comes. Just to reverse, so pop the connectors through the hole like that. Line up the mirror, make sure it's sat properly like that, and then you should be able to see the 3 holes for the bolts line up. Oh, we need the bracket. Don't forget the bracket. So that kind of tucks down like that. You can't see it, but you get the top one in first. Okay. like that. And then the other should follow. Nice and easy. Maybe to the bottom left. Again. Bottom right. Okay. Just nip up. Just verify it's sitting correctly on the outside, and then nip up there. They don't have to be tight. Oh wait. Right, so just nipped up, and then all you need to do is put the connectors back together, like so. And then the other one, which will go the right way round, push them in. And then there's little tabs on that mount, and you can just slide them in like that. There you go. So you can just, they're just mounted on the tabs from this bracket. Don't forget the little nasty bit of foam. That's that. And then just tuck the, make sure the two bottom tabs are in. Push it up to the front, make sure the back tabs are in, and then give it a whack. And that is it. All done. So I hope you like the video, hope you find it useful. Please comment, like, and think about subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.